We're only making dinner for 4, but you're gonna wanna grab your biggest pan,
because we're gonna turn this huge bowl of spinach into this well-seasoned and satisfying chickpea and spinach stew. And to amp up the flavor, we start with poblano peppers, onion, fresh garlic, and ginger. We blend that for just a few seconds until it's smooth. Then heat olive oil in your biggest pot or pan. Add cumin and black mustard seeds to the oil and let them heat until they sizzle and pop. Then add in that super vibrant onion and pepper puree. Stir it from time to time until it browns a bit and most of the liquid has evaporated. And then add in the diced tomatoes and tender chickpeas. Stir to bring it all together, season it with salt and pepper, and then let it come to a low boil. Now pile in all of the spinach. Turn the heat down and cover it with a lid. 2 to 3 minutes later, it has become beautifully silky smooth and the stew is ready to be stirred together. To serve it up, start with a base of rice or quinoa, then spoon the seasoned and spiced chickpea and spinach stew on top, and enjoy.
Hearty, healthy, tons of flavor, and quick enough to make on a weeknight. Now that's my kind of meal.
You can find this recipe for chickpea and spinach stew at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.